Today I am reviewing the Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Welcome to this in-depth review of the Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX gaming PC, a powerful compact rig designed for gamers and creators who demand high performance without the bulk of a full-sized desktop. Whether you're aiming for smooth 1440p gaming or need a beast for multitasking and creative work, this machine packs serious firepower inside a small but premium chassis. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Intel Core i7-14700F processor. This 14th Gen Intel CPU boasts 20 cores and 28 threads, running at a base clock of 2.1 GHz and boosting up to a blistering 5.4 GHz. What this means in practical terms is lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're gaming, streaming, or running intensive creative applications like video editing or 3D rendering. The multi-core performance here is exceptional for its size, enabling seamless multitasking without breaking a sweat. Pairing this powerhouse CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card with 12 GB of VRAM. The RTX 4070 Super is a next-gen GPU that delivers impressive ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and smooth frame rates even on high settings. In fact, this rig comfortably hits 60 frames per second or more on most AAA games at 1440p with high to ultra graphics settings, giving you vibrant visuals and buttery smooth gameplay. It's also fully VR-ready, so if virtual reality gaming or experiences are your thing, this PC has you covered. Now, let's talk about memory and storage, both crucial for gaming and productivity. The system comes with a whopping 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 MHz, split across two 16 GB modules. This super-fast RAM ensures lightning-fast load times, smooth multitasking, and the ability to keep tons of applications or browser tabs open without lag. Plus, the RAM modules come with RGB lighting and heat spreaders, which not only help keep temperatures in check, but add a stylish aesthetic through the tempered glass side panel. For storage, Cooler Master has equipped the NR2 Pro with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering blazing fast read and write speeds compared to traditional hard drives. This means your games, software, and files load in seconds, not minutes. Whether you're launching huge open-world games or working with large media files, you'll appreciate the speed and reliability. Speaking of cooling, the NR2 Pro features a 280mm all-in-one liquid cooler that keeps the CPU temperatures low, even under heavy load, helping prevent thermal throttling. The compact NR200P Max Mini ITX case is known for its excellent airflow and build quality, allowing you to squeeze maximum performance out of the components without overheating. Despite its small size, this PC stays quiet and cool thanks to the high-quality cooler and efficient design. Connectivity is robust with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built-in, so you can connect wirelessly with ease. The system includes one HDMI port and two display ports for multiple monitor setups, plus plenty of USB ports for your peripherals. The audio quality is solid, featuring HD audio and mic support, which is great for gaming chats or streaming. An added bonus for many users is the no bloatware guarantee. The PC arrives clean with Windows 11 and essential drivers, letting you install only what you need. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty along with lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind. In conclusion, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro Mini ITX is a fantastic choice if you want a high-performance, compact gaming PC that doesn't sacrifice power or cooling. Its combination of the latest Intel i7 CPU, RTX 4070 Super GPU, ultra-fast DDR5 memory, and speedy NVMe storage delivers excellent gaming and productivity performance. The sleek tempered glass case and customizable RGB lighting make it visually appealing, while the quiet, efficient cooling system ensures reliable long gaming sessions. If you're looking for a future-proof Mini ITX gaming PC for 2024 that can handle anything from AAA games to creative workloads, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro is definitely worth considering.